New York City has no shortage of iconic buildings. The Empire State Building, the Chrysler, Hudson Yards, the Hearst Tower. But on West 57th, there's one building that doesn't just stand alongside them. It stands apart. A building that isn't defined by its height, but by its imagination. Welcome to Via 57 West, the court scraper, redefining luxury rental living in New York City. I'm Aaron from Find Homes With Me, and today I'm taking you inside one of the most architecturally bold and in-demand residential buildings in Manhattan. Via 57 was designed by world-renowned Danish architecture firm Bjarke Ingels Group, or BIG, a team known for turning traditional architecture on its head. And they did that exactly here. Via blends a classic European courtyard concept with the dramatic presence of a modern skyscraper. From one angle, it rises like a pyramid, and from another, it looks like a sculptural wedge floating toward the Hudson River. But this shape isn't just for show, it's intentional. It is designed so every single unit gets natural light, which is almost impossible in Manhattan. That alone makes Via one of the most thoughtfully engineered residential buildings in the city. Now let's head inside. Even though Via 57 West is a rental building, the interior quality feels condo level, and that's not an exaggeration. You'll find floor-to-ceiling windows, bright open layouts, sleek modern kitchens, high-quality materials and fixtures. I've toured this building multiple times, and every visit reinforces the same impression. This doesn't feel like a rental. It feels like a curated, designer living space. Let's talk pricing. Real 2025 numbers based on current market averages. Studios range from $3,700 to $4,500, one bedrooms from $4,300 to $5,500, two bedrooms from $7,500 to $9,000, and three bedrooms starting from $9,600 to $13,000 and more. Prices vary depending on view, exposure, floor height, and specific unit layout. If you want exact availability for today, I can check that out for you directly. One of the reasons Via is so consistently in demand is the amenity package. You get a 22,000 square foot landscape courtyard, a full fitness center, an indoor swimming pool, golf simulator, half court-size regulated basketball court, screening room, multiple lounges and workspaces, and an on-site artisanal dining and cafe options. It feels like a high-end condo or even a boutique resort. Via sits on Manhattan's west side in Hell's Kitchen, right near the waterfront. You are close next to Columbus Circle, about a 12 to 15 minute walk, but you do have shuttle services, Central Park, Hudson River Park, and even Lincoln Square. If you're looking for a home that's architecturally unique, inspiring, and unlike anything else in New York City, Via 57 West absolutely deserves to be on your list. If you want pricing, availability, or a private tour, reach out anytime. This is Aaron from Find Homes With Me. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.